Hello, students. Today, just like I said, we are going to be writing our progress build 2. That way we can send some information to Director Higgins about the safety of the Oceanside Recreation Center. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how we're going to take our progress build this week. First, when you open up to the next page, you're going to see all our evidence, our pieces of evidence, okay? We have the diagram we've seen before a lot of times. You have some information here. I'm going to go ahead and read it out loud. It says, a recreation center is located on a cliff next to the ocean. A long time ago, the center's flagpole was located 2 meters from the cliff. Now it is located 1 meter from the cliff. The cliff eroded. But the director didn't hear any loud noises or see evidence of a large landslide. The director didn't notice the cliff erode. Okay? We also have some pictures. Here's a picture of the cliff, and here's a photo of the beach at the bottom of the cliff. Okay, so first you're going to take a look at all of these resources here because you're going to need to use it for your evidence. Okay, when you click the next button, then you're going to start to see some questions. Here's your first question, part A. Our first question says, how did the recreation center's cliff erode and change without the director noticing? Which is the most likely explanation? You're going to pick between these 3 sentences which one you think is most likely the explanation why it's eroding. Okay, here's sentence number 1. It says, birds carried away rocks from the cliff over many years, using the rocks to make their nests. Okay. Our second one says, wind and water from the ocean and from storms hit the cliff again and again over many years, causing pieces of the cliff to break off. These pieces fell to the beach. Or we have statement 3, the cliff didn't erode. Landforms don't change. The flagpole was probably moved by someone else. So you're going to pick which statement you think is true. When you have that selected, you're going to click next. Now we have the last part of our progress build, okay? You have another question here. I'm going to read it out loud. It says, should the director of the recreation center be worried that the cliff will erode quickly? Is it possible for the cliff to erode quickly? Do landforms ever erode quickly? And you're going to pick which statement matches best. Statement 1. Yes, the director should be worried. Landforms can sometimes erode very quickly, in only a minute or 2, such as in a landslide. They often happen suddenly without warning, so they can be very dangerous. Here's statement number 2. No, the director should not be worried. Landforms only erode slowly over many years. Then we have statement number 3. No, the director should not be worried. Landforms can sometimes erode very quickly, in only a minute or 2, such as in a landslide. But landslides can always be predicted, so they're not dangerous. They never happen suddenly without warning. Pick which one you think is correct, then you're going to move on to your written portion, okay? I have a reminder here for you about your written portion. Make sure you use the words in this word bank right here in this box in your writing. And make sure you check your science writing task list. So it's over here. You have your evidence, claim, explanation, and you're using appropriate language. So make sure you're using these words in the word bank. We have landform, rock, cliff, erosion, break, sand, landslide, sudden, and storm. Double check spelling. It's right here too, okay? Now for your written part, you're going to click here so that you can start typing. Use what you know about geology and the data on the first page to help you explain the claim you chose for question 3. Name at least one piece of evidence to support your claim. Remember how we practice evidence? Make sure you have your source and your information, okay? Type up your evidence for your claim in this spot. You have the pictures from the first page down here at the bottom if you don't want to flip back. It is right here for you to use again. All right. Good luck on your quiz today. Whenever you're done, you're going to click submit. Remember, you only have one chance to turn it in, so make sure you double check everything before you click submit. All right? If you have any questions, message me and let me know. Good luck on your progress build today. Bye, everybody.